Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Planner Kate haul. I decided to do this haul separately from my monthly sticker haul because I like to watch videos that just show Planner Kate stickers. So this is a pretty hefty order. I ordered let's see, I think like $100 worth of stickers before the discount. Take this all out of this plastic. So I have a lot of kits here because I've only experimented with a few Planner Kate kits and I really like them, and I had been trying to figure out what style I like better, like what I should pick up for each kit. So one of the things that I love about Planner Kate is that she has so many add-on options. I was used to only purchasing kits that came, like you purchase the mini kit or you purchase a full-size kit, and it wasn't really a la carte. After discovering a style of planning in which I pretty much only use or only purchase like the full boxes, and I pull everything else from items that I already have in my like functional collection, because I have quite a few functional items and I never use them because most kit come with those items. So that's why I started purchasing more and more from Planner Kate, because she has the a la carte option. So let me zoom you guys in here real quick. So these are all of the freebies that I got with this order. As always, you have like a little Planner Kate logo sticker, her Planner Kate card with thank you so much 15. I use Happy Place 20 or Julie Plans 20, Julie 20. You get a little bit more of a discount. You get 20% instead of 15%. So I got a bill due. I will add this to my giveaway pile because I don't track my bills that way, or I don't pay my bills separately. I pay everything at once. I have this like day off, vacation, holiday, and sick day. I'm also going to pass this on. I'm actually going to keep these because I recently purchased an Emily Lay, I believe that's how you say her name, the Simplified Planner. And I'm going to be color coding in the Simplified Planner, and the only stickers I'm really going to be using are these little dots. So I want to give these a go. I have some squared icons, which I haven't received this sheet before, and I've been wanting to kind of try square icons because I personally do not like planning with circle icons. And then it also comes with some labels here, which I appreciate because I go through these. If you guys have seen my Planner Empty video, I go through these Planner Kate sticker sheets quite often. I should have another Planner Empty coming up soon, and then these are her two-tone labels, which again, I use a lot. I'm gonna start off first with my non-kit items and then move into all of the different kits and their components and kind of explain my planning style. First thing I got is this sheet. It's the S903 sheet. This is a whole bunch of like mail related icons here. These are all kiss cut. So you have a little mailbox and then a little like mail vehicle here. So I bought this because I sell some things on Mercari and I do ship things out from home. And then another thing, I was thinking about starting to make my own stickers because I have so many ideas for stickers that I just wish shops would make. So I was like, well, why not make them myself? So I may open up an Etsy shop in the near future over the summertime. So I picked up this sheet here, which is the S940 sheet. It's just a whole bunch of popcorn. So I figured this would be nice for marking movie night, or maybe like a reminder to like pick up a movie from the library so that we could watch it, or you know, whatever, whenever we go to like a movie theater or something like that. So then I picked up this sheet here in S184, and it's the clean purse one. I like this idea of making sure that I clean out my purse every couple of weeks, and I figured this would be a good way to kind of remind myself that I need to go ahead and just kind of clean out my purse because it does get messy, especially during the school year. And then the last two sheets I picked up are S596 and S18. These are the knife and fork icons. So I picked it up in the colorful, and then I also picked it up in the black and white. But one thing I did notice is that the gray and white, I would say, I wouldn't necessarily call these black. They're much larger than the colorful one. So I wish there wasn't that size difference. I actually kind of prefer them to be a lot smaller, but you know, whatever, it'll work. Let's go into some of these kits. The first kit that I picked up is one of her full kits. So she has like mini kits and full kits. This is kit 141A. I actually have the names of the kits right here. So this is the Aqua Sea kit. Like I said, kit 141. And so I got the full boxes, and then it also comes with some half boxes here. I also picked up the washi strips. So this is 141Q, because I am a horizontal planner, and these fit perfectly in between like my horizontal planner days. And I picked up 141W, which these are the scalloped labels, and then I picked up 141T, which these are the ones that have like the patterned labels. So it comes with quarter boxes and 2 more half boxes. I figured I didn't need any more half boxes because I already have 5 of them right here, so this makes 7. So this is the standard format that I will pick up, because if I need checklists, I can pull them in from my functional sticker collection. I have plenty of date covers, so all of those I can pull in from my already existing sticker collection. So these are typically the 4 items that I will pick up if there is a like full-size kit. So the next kit that I picked up is kit 125A. This is the purple floral kit, and again, same format. I picked up the full boxes. I picked up the washi strips, so 125Q. The scalloped labels 125W, and the patterns labels 125T. The next kit I picked up is Magenta Rose. I picked up the full boxes. This is a full kit, but the add-ons were already in the sales section, and the thin washi and either the scallops or the boxes were already sold out, but mainly the thin washi was sold out. And if I couldn't really get the thin washi, I was just going to go ahead and pick up the sampler page, because this has boxes, it has plenty of labels, and I can make thin washi out of these 3 strips here, and this gives me enough for the entire week. I wish I had something else instead of this additional full box, because as you guys can see, these 2 are pretty much the exact same box. But that's okay. I really, really love this kit, and I wanted to use it in May or June. So I went ahead and picked it up, even though I couldn't get the add-ons for it. So the rest of the kits that I picked up are all mini kits, and for the mini kits, you really only have 3 pages. So these are the only 2 sheets that I pick up. I don't pick up sheet B with the date covers or anything like that. This is kit, the name of this kit is Lily Floral. It is super vibrant, super colorful. So like I said, I picked up the sampler sheet. Again, same format as before, and then the full boxes here. Aren't these just absolutely beautiful? They're like watercolor, like flowers. I just think it's very beautiful, and I love bright colors. Another bright colored kit that I picked up is mini kit 153. This is the tropical fruit kit, and again, I picked up the sampler page, and I picked up, which is 153A, and then I picked up the full boxes, and this is 153C, same format as before. I picked up this kit to use for 4th of July because I'm just kind of tired of the 4th of July kits, like a very traditional 4th of July kit. So this is 152. This is called Seashells, I believe. So again, I picked up the sampler, but it has red, white, and blue in it, so I figured why not use this for my 4th of July kit, and I may actually be going to the beach that day, so it's kind of fitting. I love the little anchors in here. I was in the Navy, so anytime I see an anchor, it makes me happy. So this is 153C. This is the full box sheet. I picked up this kit. It's mini kit 22. This is an older format for her kit, and it's called Summertime. So this is what her sampler page used to look like. It didn't have that additional full box. It had some extra half boxes, different weekend banner, but it still had the checklist, plenty of boxes. I actually prefer this format. I wish you would go back to this format. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not even really in frame here. So I really do prefer this format. And then I got the full boxes here, which I actually don't really care for these headers. I wish they were half boxes, but you know, I can still work with it. I'll use the to-do headers, but not really the today headers. But I still love this kit. I love how colorful it is. And I've been wanting to pick it up for a while, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. And again, that was the summertime kit. Then I picked up this kit because it was in the sale section. I've already done a plan with me using this kit. This is mini kit 130. This is the purple bows kit, and I love this kit. So I do have some leftovers from the original kit, so I can actually probably get 3 spreads. I've done 1 and 2 additional spreads using both of these sheets that I picked up. But I picked it up again because it was in the sale section, so I'm guessing she's going to be discontinuing it. So I wanted to pick it up before she discontinues it because I love this kit so much. And the very last kit that I picked up is the pineapples kit. This is very unique because it has a lot of black, and I do have a lot of black stickers in my collection, and I can pull them into this spread. And again, I picked up sheet A, which is the sampler, and sheet C, which is the full boxes. So yeah, that is my very massive Planner Kate haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays, I like to film a plan with me. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.